Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Here welcome again. Very amazing and beautiful crafting ideas for your and home and door wreath. You can hang it on your entrance gate and look like Wonderland, cozy and warm. These are projects and design you can easily make with your own hands and creating a craft
क्या वो
simple and
गाड़ी क्या
easy.
हमें गाइड कर दे भाई
In this video we will share with you you can transform your old scrap material into amazing Christmas decoration ideas. Amazing and beautiful letter designing. You can decorate your letter as per Christmas event, Christmas holiday. Arrange some fairy lights, beads, artificial grass, and stocking. Some different shades and magic is here. Simple scrap and just hang some pine cones and some ornaments related with Christmas. You can see some small changes make your ladder, make your wall, make your door cozy and warm and a wonderful location. You can also visit my channel. There is also a very amazing and beautiful videos for you which can help you to make your home, your outside, indoor cozy and warm as per Christmas event, Christmas holidays. Very simple and very easy DIY. If you like the video, please must subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more amazing videos, more crafting ideas. When the guests come into your home, they look door it and they will ask you where you buy. You smile and said, I made it proudly. Really appreciate your support for keep watching my channel, keep supporting me. I really need to your support, so please keep watching my channel, keep watching my videos, keep supporting me. I'm thankful to you. Just share this video with your friends and family. Remember me in your prayers on upcoming Christmas event, the whole event. I hope you like the video. Love you all. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Take care. Have a wonderful Christmas ahead. Enjoy your Christmas. Enjoy your holiday.